Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all will be doing well. Students, in today's video we will solve this question by using laws of exponent. By rewriting the question, 2 power 50 multiplied by 2 power 25 multiplied by 2 power 5 divided by 2 power 70. Student, here we use law of exponent as a power m multiplied by a power n. Means if bases are same, exponents are different, exponents will be added. A power m plus n. So numerator will become 2 power 50 plus 25 plus 5 divided by 2 power 70. 2 power 50 plus 25 75, 75 plus 5 80, 2 power 80 divided by 2 power 70. Here we again use law of exponent. A power m divided by a power n, it will be equal to a power m minus 80. 2 power 80 minus 70, 2 power 80 minus 70, 2 power 10, and 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. This is final answer. I hope you all have got this. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.